Will there be any capacitance between A and B? Yes, it will be. There will be capacitance between A and B. Will there be any capacitance from B to infinity? No, this is earthed, no? So therefore, what is the total capacitance of system will be? Total capacitance of the system will be is equal to only CAB. What happened to CB infinity? It's shorted. So therefore, this should be 4 pi epsilon naught AB by B minus A.
Sir, A to infinity?
How A to infinity will come? How A to infinity will come? We are connecting a cell like this. No? That's why whenever you are having a big trouble, you must bring this cell concept. It's not there in book. Okay, now you see that. So put the charge like this. We'll go for the tracing out charge. Plus Q charge. This battery idea not there. That's why in the books you find very difficult to understand what is actually why he is writing. So students just they analyze, and the plus Q charge should leave from outer surface and should enter here. Now you see things clearly. From A to infinity, anything will come. There are only two plates are there, no? Plate A and plate B. As a previous problem also, you should do like that only. All of you got this? I'll just take you back here. So here also the same thing. You are connecting that one. So here open, if I connect a cell from B to A, one capacitor, B to infinity, another capacitor. Getting the method, sir. Can you show cell here also? Yes, I can show it. What is there in that one? It's not that cell should be applied only for one specific diagram. Some of you are asking the cell idea. Put effort to understand the basic concept very clearly. If you can understand that core logic, no, it'll be very easy. Any number of shells, let them give, can manage here. So what about the shell? The battery, I'm going to bring it here. No. So this is the, means no connection there. It is. Send it like this. What about the charge? Plus Q charge, it will send. And that Q charge will go and deposit here. It will induce minus Q charge on this. And from here, the plus Q charge will leave. It come like this. So now there are two plates are there. What is one? Plate A, plate B, and plate infinity. And plate A and infinity are both are having same potential. So therefore, I'll connect them to a common point. So there are two capacitance are there, no? B to A and B to infinity. Getting this? So, sir, here also there should be say like a B to infinity, and again what happened? It is earthed here. So therefore, that the B to infinity will get shorted, no? So why don't you draw one circuit diagram like earlier what you drew there? So I'll do one thing. Let me bring the same the things that one. So this is the B is earthed, no? So let's do one thing. This is B. So CAB I'm asking you, no? So from B to infinity will be there and it'll be earthed. In fact, so some of you are thinking like this, sir. Why can't be like this? And again, it is being earthed, no? Okay, now look at this. It is as good as. What is CAB? will be only this much, no? Capacitance of system will be